Are you ready to take your audio content to the next level? Imagine turning your podcast, interviews, or sound bites into eye-catching visual experiences that captivate your audience like never before. Well, get ready, because Oddgram is here to transform the way you share your audio. Welcome to Audiogram, the revolutionary web-based platform that takes your audio files and converts them into stunning audiograms with just a few clicks. Whether you're a seasoned creator or a newbie, Audiogram is designed with you in mind, making it easier than ever to engage and grow your audience without needing any technical skills. Picture this. You've just recorded a fantastic podcast episode or an engaging interview. Instead of letting it sit unnoticed in the depths of the internet, you can now turn that audio into visually stunning audiograms, complete with dynamic waveforms, vibrant colors, and captivating backgrounds. With Audgram's AI-powered features, you can customize every detail to match your brand, all while making your audio stand out on social media platforms. The beauty of Audiogram lies not only in its stunning visuals, but also in its user-friendly interface. With a simple drag-and-drop feature, you can upload your audio file, choose from a variety of templates, and customize fonts and colors at the click of a button. In minutes, you'll have a professional-quality audiogram that's ready to be shared with the world. But that's not all. Audience engagement is at the heart of what we do here at Oddgram. Our platform is optimized to help you boost your reach, drive attention, and encourage interaction. With eye-catching visuals, your audience will be more likely to stop scrolling and listen to what you have to say. Imagine the growth in your followers, listeners, or clients with just a simple, effective tool at your fingertips. So, are you ready to revolutionize the way you present your audio content? Visit Oddgram today and start creating breathtaking audiograms that will leave your audience wanting more. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your brand and elevate your content. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community for more exciting tips and tools to elevate your content. See you next time.